A press conference was held on Saturday, 13th November, to announce the release of the Kasi film Ki Ummat that has been produced, scripted and directed by S. Kharsantiu of S. Kharsantiu Production. The film, which has been categorized in the genre of family drama, stars actor Kirshan Khemdej in the main role, Lasara Pathau and Banala Nongsej as lead actresses, Alfie Kharsantiu and others as supporting cast members who had been selected from most districts in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. The shooting of the film that had started in May 2018 with its location at Binther in Mairang had to be stalled for a while due to the lockdown, but was later completed in 2019. Ki Ummat will be shown at Biju Cinema Hall from the 19th to 25th of November 2021 at the 11 a.m., 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. shows during these days. Speaking to newspersons, film director S. Kharsantiu, while expressing his gratitude to God for his guidance during the making of the film, said that it was only after having met K. Nongrum that he was encouraged to go into film production, which was initially a distant dream. Further, Kharsantiu added that the storyline of the film involves a young girl who faces a lot of challenges in life while as a housemaid, but was able to overcome them through patience in the midst of obstacles and problems along the way.
Tengah haji syarah di film lah sedang bending na do aja kapra benai me. Tabang yang nembar pengiring tang sisin sitayo, ngimla banding ibu tang apa di cuti, bagi ni kena abung kita ngi pulih, kita ngi dol kicong ikam, tingna pendem. Ting ngila sekuki bar ngila pendem beka bending ha do bakut do aja kendai. Bar ngi yo bari kesar pikir au aja apa cua kanong daun. Te kawai bahasa tu nak ni kong ba kini ki kini khana ni wang thoi hi nga ki khana nga thoi hi par kumju nga direct hi te kata kawai ba ringkat berjir rap jangi ba dona ni ba pan kerjaan ba cukup majulong ba kum kerteng i kerjaan jangan nak kalian gabon buat ada kedik sing beringkong ru biang kitiar ki kum kerdi ka kum jedawa jadi kejuk menta kalau kebaik jangi penbiang tabalong hak jingela berbanding ke bangila yesem jinga financially ke mong ma te kawai ru lang don hi gi ba ngirang duna nomor ba kerdi ke sing beringkong te idang habwa ki jing arab ki jing pan di arab lagi ku belaya chakman kum jing ba komanda ki jing ba section belakang dia chakman idang arang keli jing mut hi kumno ngin le kumno ngin approach kumno ngin sedang ngini ki ebro.
The president of the Meghalaya Filmmakers Association and also director of the Khasi film Khandai Lat, Commander Shangpliang, informed that there are numerous challenges that the film fraternity is facing in this part of the country. Financial constraints, the non-existence of a dedicated cinema hall, and the absence of a filmmaking policy are some of the main factors that have hampered the growth of the film industry in the state. Should the government of Meghalaya devise a policy for filmmaking, there would be a high possibility of employment to skilled and qualified people in the industry, Shangpliang added.
Tenrai kawai de kijing kalong kabakong san kadai ba kumbalong ba Kharsantiu nyimdon ya kata kajaka bangin penya yo iki film kijongi. Ngidan mentatang kawai ka senama hall kata kadi ke biju senama. Te habiju senama te hab yakni. Per lockdown dan mapen i tu khot hiu biju lewat pen i. Taman tatang sila lain lockdown te ki film kila yang lain. Te ki pun ha ki film ta ki ban pen i. Ngi jing sya ba Kharsantiu ngam ngadon jing sodia ba un pen i tang sitayo. La kumno artayo kadi banian. Tenri mentatang sitayo te simut dorpi lada ka film jong i ka yat ka hit kemur lakut no tang sitayo. Amar balai next lawan film hindi. Imdan ka kawai ka jaka pen i ka balong dedicated naman ta kini ki film Khasi. Te kalong ka ba syong nia kalong ka ba lo ka ba day biang bangin don laga jong ka senama hot. Ni ka polisi ha ka ba ka tiket ka di banlong ka barat bu dor hi da producer. Kamli ban fix ke government. Amar balai ka dor jong tiket ru habang idi beri masutu ba ni contribute ru ka shop government. Kata ka ka GST. Barak khoj kini kinong sina film ki IGST. Kumanga ngani thu ipi kum film Khandai Lat ngalasiu la palat kumba saula ka GST sya ka government tang ka GST ta kamut lada ngabu dor kat no kamlele kadi ka free rate ta ka film ka ba itnat ki baru kilek pej mor obar kamlele tang katamo habang ong ya ka tiket kini ki senama banabar kum kene ka kidon ki senama kum syabar i ki bun ha ki senama ki bani te kitur ki investor ki wan kan changne te dan ray mental ada government ko sang ho ding ka katikat te makiru ki hab expect lano kan yo recovery ka bai hol lano kin yo e katu te kadon gijing te khamtam lay pe menta kum sonde ki la ban bu dak wi ka dor ma be bun briu kum mande la bat men step in penduna no ken in bu no tang kham duna ka dor te kata ka dei ka wi na ki polisi ka government ka dei banwara ka baar mental kumbaong baban iba kastiu lada ngisnai ka hol kamur ka government bakala shu ai e bikum tu kumbasna ya kini ki community hall ni kasya don ka gran baga government kasnai community hall takla IT no seki snong lane seki no ban penyai rai lada ki ai kisna ma hall na kitu kisna ma hall ka government kan kamai pisa ka revenue kan yo